Hano hai black no war masih jawa kiri masih ja. Hano hai tarak sirak pampli kasabeka social media wo. Mokol baitang eba kok baitang tarak sirak pampli. Hingga talk to box no pula no pampli no gunyo. Kam ke seven ay jona eba kam ke no puji mana ay jona. Tini ni pampli po faing no. Hingga talk to box no tini ni pampli ko baje. Hano hai black no tini salo sini sarjindra chotri. Black no sini tay nyata montri rungo tini black no kok yenga. Eba wahai black no choli jaga. Tamni wala oba hikiti prasani man thero bo tapu surati man na himabo tapu bo success nya ni ne ba wa he belekino tini te ti prasarang no belekino wa hike thangui tonga ni ne belekino khok kenka ngite taukte box no ma ple no bo ji mane jongna phari ngite taukte box sung biji kok se hoi tini chalo sini sarji jindra chaudhary sini te nya ta motri ngo tini tamni khok kenka eba bo hike choli jaga apuno tini chingki ja kam ke bujoi na lena Ingite taukte box no kisa kam ke nai tungdi tiri no mampli no
ang tabo o kisi sani bagui o live khaina ni bagui masukha abon nugui I thangnai saltham salbroi chini tripura hastane jotto takko bukok song nukhana je ladakh oro statehood demand khainai je oroni sonam yaksukni leadership bahai khayoi je BJP government o chobano boroni movement no o movement tawni bagi khaika je jen ke no je kunoi abo khayoi ei nini ei Union Territory khayoi approve Modi government ni Union Minister Amit Shah ni kokri mung tongo kisisa sal tongoi je JNK te Ladakh kunoi nubo taiwaisa statehood abo rijang nai kitu tini bisidok lai thangka oro statehood to kurui Oroni Panchayat suspended, Ladakh Autonomous District Council suspended, Savarul Khaitong only Lieutenant Governor, অর্থাৎ center হইতে indirectly central government, BJP government, তাই সিনি ত্রিপুরা হাই और village committee vote गया भाई खे BJP ni langta fangtarok edisini rangna kusubai saitong edisini sini Tripura hani oroni 14 lakhs oroni je population boroni je democratic right abono suspend khayoi amte khaino Ladakh bahai ang abono refer khainani bagai je jaitok mane karanungkha let our Tripura people, let our Tripurasa people, they realize. Or CPIM, BJP, Congress, Tripura Motha, IPF tini kogya. Ani koibung to each and every our Tripura people, Tripurasa people. Suno kebo imang funugo, kebo chuno kogriyo. 6 महीने के अंदर ट्रिपुरा लेन हो जाएगा हम अभी दिल्ली से ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लेन आएंगे फलाना फलाना हमारा साथ हो तो कौन रोक सकता है त्रिपुरा लेन ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लेन सब कुछ बन जाएगा दिल्ली जाना होगा दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा दिल्ली होते वो और लोकसभा चौंगमारी विधानसभा चौंगमारी फाइखाई कतर कत नेता सपायो दिल्लीओ चार्टार्ड फ्लाइट बाय स्पेशल फ्लाइट बाय दिल्ली लांगई 5-star होटेल तनई चारियो खारियो ताई चौंगमारी अंफुरंखे किसु रांग रहरो नों हेलिकॉप्टर कावई प्रचार खाइदी डायरेक्टली BJP नो बिनी हाफांग तुबिया फानो इनडायरेक्टली vote split khai BJP no hapanga tongone sujok khairi di fataro jara nini supporter tini je dolni phangthung bini je supporter they are the asset of that particular party amtino chini bonai ka set tongo CPM nibo Tripura Motha nibo BJP nibo o supporter blindly emotionally borok leadership ni kokno poito khayo এবং শুধু অবশ্যই যে borok je tai kubun party bai alliance nong to tuino kubun party bai bo walayo sulayo bulayo toglayo tabok sun nuk tongo Tripura Motha bai BJP je khwayo bahayongkha kodin segang hejamarongkha oro jampujola bukastio to salni saltaman kanong tong khumulongong tongo কিন্তু আগুলি ফাইখে বড় কাগলাইয়া দিল্লি থাকে কাগলাইয়া খরকসা নি এগেইনস্ট কক্সাগো but what happened to the TTADC what happened to the tribal right why not the 125th amendment of our constitution which is formulated to give more power to the ADC, direct funding to the ADC. It is not being tabled further in the parliament. It is not being passed. Last 7-8 years, dozens of such bill, it was tabled and immediately passed, even within 1 day, 2 days. But why not this 125th Constitution Amendment Bill? Tamnibagui, because it is related to the Triprasa, it is related to the tribal welfare, it is related to the development, overall development of Northeast, not only the Triprasa or tribal people, for entire population. Henke busidi sabo BJP. BJP is a political talk of our country. BJP borok haino Bharat Mata ki joy hino Tiranga Jatra khayo. But BJP, their ancestors, forefathers, their mentor RSS never participated in our freedom struggle. They never supported our constitution. Though now they are playing drama by saying that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, by saying that India has become the Vishwaguru. But what is happening to the average citizen of this country, and of course the Adivasi people, they composes around 9%, 8.6% in last 2011 census. Now in 2027, if census conducted, definitely it will surpass 9%. But what we found in every parameters, health, education, job, land, there these Adivasis along with Dalits and other some underprivileged people, they're alienated, they're excluded from the job. In Tripura also we are happening now. So this is my humble request. Please go through the developments in Ladakh, how brutally the Ladakhi people, so simple people, who bravely, who valiantly fight against Pakistan to defend our country, our security, and these people are now being shot down by the police of the Lieutenant Governor led by Bharatiya Janata Party. This is Bharatiya Janata Party. It is either in Ladakh or they are in Chhattisgarh or Jharkhand or Assam or Manipur or Nagaland and Tripura, anywhere, just for the sake of the electoral interest, to snatch power, they align with other parties, very particularly the party like the indigenous, that is what I'll say, regional party. But by heart, they never consider, they never, what I'll say, value the desire of the Adivasis, the tribal, the indigenous people. Ongoi, ani koimung, please, nahardi, e Bharatiya Janata Party ne sinane khaidi. Aboni biruddhe hai, thansa ne kok sao, yes, thansa is very, very much required. But that thansa, by compromising with BJP, will never yield any tangible result. So my request, come forward, and thansa should be democratically, thansa should be with ideology, thansa should be based on the experience across the country and what we have been witnessing, very particularly during last 11 years. Ang tekok salia, ang tabok China otongo, yang siki ang tuima paro, yaisang sitio, khob naithok city, oro Chinese Communist Party ni invitation sung phaimani, sung naitongo borok bai development bhai ke khai, borong ni je minorities sung hai jara sung Adivasi hinjang nai, indigenous hinjang nai, everything is, that is, tamin nai bonang kok bai ang abo khai busuk jati development khai kha ulo salo jora man khai awoti kok sarno asuk sawi ani koimung